Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix speaker not working on your POCO F8 Ultra. So first, what you guys want to do is check the volume levels in these settings. So open up these settings. Now you need to scroll a bit down until you guys see sound and vibration. And after that, go to the adjust volume section. Now make sure that media, ringtone and alarm are everything set to the max. So we only care about media here, but if you want to really check if your speaker is working, then I would recommend maxing all of those three settings. Now after that, what you guys can do is clean the speaker grills. So we have one at the top, we have one at the bottom, and you can also try and clean this one here. So after you clean it with a soft brush or an air compressor, for example, even though the soft brush does a way better job, you can try the air compressor too. I would recommend disabling Bluetooth. So go to the top of the settings, click on the Bluetooth, and make sure that the switch right here is gray and not blue, because right here it's discovering devices, and if you have some devices paired, then maybe it's connecting to those devices instead of playing from the speaker. So disable the Bluetooth, and now what you guys can do is restart your phone to refresh the entire system. So hold the power button and the volume up button at the same time. Now swipe down to reboot and let go of your finger. Now the phone is restarting, so I'll see you guys in a second once it's done. After the restart, what you guys can do is check for software updates to keep up with the latest version. Sometimes it may be just a software glitch that your speaker is not working, so it's definitely worth checking it out. So open up the settings, now go to About Phone and click on the HyperOS right here. It will check for updates automatically. I do not have any updates available, and that means I'm running the latest version. But if you do have some updates and you see the button to update and install to the newer version, then make sure to do that. So that's it for the video. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.